If y'all want curls like these, stay tuned. So for my first step, I'm gonna be shampooing my hair. So this is my hair after washing the shampoo out. It's looking pretty good, nice and healthy. So for my next step, I'm gonna be using this deep conditioner. I actually really like this deep conditioner from Matrix. I feel like it made my hair really soft, and yeah. I left the deep conditioner in my head for about 10 minutes. And I'm just finger detangling as I'm going with the deep conditioner. So now I'm gonna wash out the deep conditioner. So now that my hair is washed out, I'm gonna show you guys the next step. So for my next step, I'm gonna be using this curl cream. As you guys can see, like right now, I'm trying to get the product like inside my root area and my scalp, because I feel like whenever I use like products, they only like sit on the top of my hair and not really inside my roots. So now I'm gonna section my hair. I sectioned my hair and then I left this much. So I'm gonna be taking some Eco Styler gel and really just like smoothing it onto my hair. Actually, I'm gonna split this and smooth the gel into small sections. And don't be shy when you're using gel. So when I was doing my hair, I actually added another step. So I'm just gonna skip to the part where I'm showing that step. So I finally ended up finding it. So basically what you wanna do is take your section and then split them into pieces, and then piece by piece, you wanna take it and then wrap it around your finger, and then go in a circular motion until you get the look you're looking for. You guys could also do what I'm doing right now. I'm taking pieces that I feel like need more help, so I just split them and then recoil them. Right now, I was just redoing this whole section because like I feel like the splitting them and then coiling them were getting me the look that I was actually looking for. So yeah, I'm just redoing this whole section. So I'm pretty sure right here is my last coil for this whole section. Now moving on to the rest. So you guys can see me going in a circular motion when I'm curling my hair. That. You guys can see the curl that it'll give me. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after I finish this whole section. I finished this section of my hair. You guys can get a close-up. So I just finished this whole section. This is how it's looking. Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe. I'm just gonna explain that again. I'm taking my section, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm taking a piece of hair and then I'm wrapping wrapping it around my finger like that. Then I'm letting go, just like that. And I'm not using big sections, I'm using small sections. So I'm gonna show you guys what exactly my hair looks like after I finish the whole head. Alright y'all, so I just finished. So my hair is looking like. I'll give you guys a closer look. But yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, leave below in the comments and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on my next video.